welcome back to my channel. OMG, I am so excited. I'm finally doing my birthday haul. My birthday was on September 16th, and as usually every year I have to treat myself. You know, I mean, there's no excuse, but look at this, guys. Look at this. I just went for it. Okay, so there's a lot of new goodies that I've got, and I have to give a shout out to two of my girls. The first girl is the Daily Chic. She has a YouTube channel here, and she actually helped me get this item, which is right in this box, and she was so sweet. She had some extra and she sold it to me at the retail price, and I so much appreciate it. She saw my luxury wish list video, and she contacted me, and oh my god, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. I'm gonna link her YouTube channel down below. She's beautiful and she has awesome stuff, so you have to go and check her out. She's also on Instagram. And the second lady that I have to give a shout out to, who was just so helping me out, is Razorback Belle 42. She's on Instagram, and she was just like sending me DMs and telling me, hey, things are available on LV website, and she also shared her essays with me from LV and Chanel. So I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I got few of the stuff, and yes, I've got a brand new bag. I've got a brand new bag that is off my wish list, so I'm super excited. So let's get started. So I think I'm gonna start with this little item, and you know, not everything has a ribbon. I did take everything out, obviously, so this is not a true unboxing, you guys. You know, I'm not gonna lie. And by the way, the handbag, I have been already carrying it for over a week, so, or even more than that. So yeah, so here's the first item, and if you've seen my wish list video, you probably know what it is. So let me show you. So obviously it comes in this cute little dust bag, and I've got dum da da da. So this is the reverse monogram card holder. How beautiful is that? This is my very first reverse monogram item. I don't have anything in that particular, you know, pattern. And here's some information. It's just so impossible. There was some numbers here, some cards. It was just so impossible to get, and I don't know, it just pops on the website, and the next thing you know, it's gone. You know, by the time I checked, it was all gone. So yeah, so this is the first item. I'm actually surprised how nice and soft it is. I don't own any Louis Vuitton this type of a card holder. I do own one from Chanel, which I usually wear. So this is going to be my very first LV. And yeah, so it just has a little card slot in here. So there's two on both sides, and there's one, you know, big opening in the middle. So yeah, I haven't used this one yet because I was like really holding for this video, but I will certainly, you know, start using it. So yeah, thank you so much to Daily Chic for, you know, selling this to me, because it was just impossible to get, and I refused to pay $500 for it. You know, like they sell it on Fashion File, you know, for a big profit, and some Facebook groups, and you know, I just think it's ridiculous. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. All right, let's take a look at the next item. The next item comes in this box, and this is something that I have purchased, I'm gonna say, in mid-August. So I have it for a little while, and I did use it. This is something that I'm actually quite disappointed with, to be honest with you. So the box, as usual, LV box. There's a tissue, and what I've got is the perfumes. And this is the famous summer edition of their perfume. I don't know if this is a permanent item. I had a feeling like this is like limited edition. That's why I wanted to get it, because I really enjoy the scent. You know, the scent is really nice, and look at the packaging, you guys. It's stunning. So when you receive it, it comes in this little tube, and it says LV in here as well. and then you open up and then you have your perfume. So as you can see, I used it up a little bit because like I said, I have it for a little bit over a month, so I did use a few times. And the reason I'm saying that it's a little bit of the fail is because as much as I love the scent, I love the perfume, I don't think it has a real like a staying power, you know what I mean? I don't know, I just feel like I have to apply it constantly. A few hours later I cannot even smell it anymore on me. So I don't know, are all the LV's perfumes like this? I don't know, but this is a little bit, honestly, this is a little bit of the disappointment. I do like the bottle. I do like the, you know, the magnetic cap on this. It's very easy to spray, so yeah, I don't know. Is this a permanent collection? Maybe I just rushed into it too soon, and yeah, I'm just a little bit disappointed. If you do own this perfume, let me know. Is it just me? Is it just my body chemistry that is just not working? But I don't know, it's like I feel after 2-3 hours I cannot smell anything whatsoever. So I feel like for this price, you know, what they charge, we should get, you know, something better. And then I've got two little samples, which I don't even know what they are. So yeah, I'll try those as well. So I'm gonna leave the handbag at the very end. The best is always at the end. So the next item came in this thin box, and this is something that I think I said a year ago, a couple of months ago, that I would never buy. And again, this is, I'm eating my own words, you guys, but this just shows you how much we kind of changed and how our kind of desire change, personality, you know, and things that we really want. But I don't know, I was just looking at the website and checking things out, and I was like, I really need this in my life. So let me show you. So it came, of course I unpacked it as well, it came in this tissue paper right here in the middle, and I've got, yes, another shawl in monogram. And the reason I said it that I would never buy it is because this thing snags so badly. But you know, I just like the black kind of with this kind of silver-ish, you know, color. I don't know, it just looks so beautiful, and I just thought, you know, it's gonna be perfect for fall and winter now. I do own one of them in like very kind of a cream color that you cannot really see the LVs because it's very like you know, one color, but this one is like the LVs stand out, you know, because obviously they're silver against this kind of, or is it silver, kind of like against that black. And I don't know, I just thought this was so beautiful, and those shawls are like enormous. And yeah, I mean, look at this, this is just so nice. Whew, just beautiful. And it's so soft because it's a combination, I think, of the wool and cashmere. So look at this, I'm just gonna open it up. It's absolutely enormous and it's gorgeous. This is the other side of the shawl. I guess you can wear on the both sides. What do you guys think? I guess you could use it more like silver-ish, and then you can go more on the black side. So yeah, I did it, and these are like so expensive, but I do, you know me guys, I love scarves, I love shawls, and I love all this, you know, coziness. So yeah, I treated myself to another LV shawl. Alright guys, so here is the last item, the fourth item that I've got. And yeah, my husband contributed some money towards this gift. And are you guys like me? Do you buy yourself gifts? Or like every single occasion is perfect, you know, for buying yourself gifts, right? So anyway, it came in this box, and this is the handbag. Like I said, like I've been using it already for over a week, and I just nicely packed it so you guys can see it. But I featured this on my wish list video, and I will, by the way, I will link this video up there so you can go ahead and check it out. So obviously it came in the dust bag, and the bag that I purchased that was available, because it seems like things on the LV website are just not easy to find these days, is the vetoed BB. What do you guys think? How cute is handbag? When I saw it and when it came in the mail and my husband looked at it, he said like, this is so tiny. And I knew it's gonna be tiny because obviously it's called a BB, but honestly you guys, I don't have any handbag of this size from LV. Maybe my Lock Me, but I don't know, it just feels, the Lock Me even feels like it's bigger, but it's not really that small, you know. If you think about it, I can actually put a lot of stuff in here, because originally I was thinking to purchase an MM size, but I've seen some videos, I've seen some reviews, I didn't see any of those handbags in the store. This was kind of like shot in the dark, and that MM size seems to be like enormous, so I really don't want to carry a huge handbag, because these days I don't really carry much stuff anyway. So this handbag fits everything what I need, literally everything. And I was also torn between, should I get this or should I get the Palace BB, because those are like two bags, and I feel like this, the vetoed BB, is more, it's so underrated first of all, and I feel like it's more beautiful than Palace because of the hardware. The hardware is stunning on this handbag, and obviously it's, you know, features all this leathers, and it comes in the, I think the red and the pink as well, but I wanted specifically black, and I wanted to have like those treated handles. So yeah, that's why I went for this one. I didn't even consider other colors because they came with just the regular vachetta, you know, handles and the strap and the hardware. I mean, look at this, you guys. The hardware is just so beautiful. And obviously it comes with this little tag, which is quite useless, I think, but hey, it looks cute, right? Here's the back side of the back view of the handbag, and obviously there's a strap. I'm gonna show you the strap in just a second, but I am just completely obsessed with the hardware. I just think it just looks so beautiful, and I like this kind of, you know, those kind of bigger handles here. I just feel like it looks so beautiful. And you know, when I was looking at the MM size on the reviews, like people were holding up the bag and the bag was just sagging, you know, with all the stuff that they had in it. Even though this bag has a little bit of the structure bottom and it has a 4 feet, but I don't know, that MM size, it looks like it was just sucking. So I was like, no, I'm not getting it. So I have it all stuffed. Obviously there's a strap, so the strap that you're receiving is exactly the same colors as the, you know, the handles and the little tag. So it's and it's super soft, you know, that leather is just super soft. And there we go. It's all black inside. Let me take the paper out. So it's microfiber lining. There are 2 little pockets here on the sides, and yeah, there's no more pockets. So these are just 2 pockets, and this bag was made in Spain, so there's a little tag inside right there. And yeah, it looks super cute. As you can see, there's not, you know, it doesn't open a lot because it's a smaller bag, but you can fit everything you need in this handbag, like my daily stuff, my, you know, even the full-size wallet, cell phone, keys, extra things, everything will fit in here. It's not really as small as it sounds, you know. So yeah, like I said, I've been carrying it for over a week now, and it's just beautiful. And yeah, I'm loving it, you guys. So complete obsession. This is my new a little handbag from LV. Yeah, I sold my Eva clutch, you know, and this one is just so much more practical. And then, by the way, the strap goes crossbody. If I put it on the, you know, I have it set up on the highest setting, on the lowest setting, so it goes crossbody on me. Obviously you can go a little bit higher if you want to, but yeah, it just looks gorgeous. And I'm like, I'm just so obsessed with this handbag right now. So yeah, this is going to be my new companion. Alright guys, so this is a wrap. This is all I've got this year for my birthday, and yes, it seems like I didn't shop at LV for ages. Yeah, I don't even remember the last time I bought anything, you know. So yeah, the last, you know, the August and this month, you know, there was the few things that I really wanted, and yeah, so I'm glad I've got these items. I'm super excited. I'm gonna enjoy them and wear them. And yeah, I don't know what's happening, but I feel like LV website, there's just not much stuff. Everything what I would like to get is either unavailable or out of stock, or I don't know. It just seems like, I don't know if it's because of the whole COVID thing, everything is just missing. So, or people are just buying so much. I have no clue, but let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Of course, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I post the videos on Mondays and Fridays, and yeah, I hope you're all doing well, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.